Have you ever added one small feature and broke everything else? There is a simple design pattern that fixes this. Hi, I'm Ali Khamis. Today I will show you the strategy pattern. It helps you change behavior without breaking code. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use it in Java and when not to use it. Here's the problem. Imagine you have different ways to do something, like calculating prices. Normal, discounted, premium. Most people just write if else for each one of them. And then when another rule comes up, another if. Before you know it, your code is a mess, hard to read, hard to fix. Every time a new rule pops up, you have to dive back into this method and tweak things up.
This is the worst!
Painful, right? The strategy pattern solves this issue by putting each behavior in its own class, then swap them when you need. No if else, no breaking old code. Here is an analogy. Think of Google Maps. Driving mode, walking mode, cycling mode. Same destination, different strategy. That's how the strategy pattern works. An interface is a contract. Any pricing rule must implement this calculate method. This keeps all rules consistent. The context class is responsible for using a strategy to perform a task. It holds the strategy, it calls the strategy's method to do the actual work. It does not care or know how the strategy works, it just delegates the job. In short, a context executes the chosen strategy. Using the strategy design pattern, you can change the behavior anytime without touching the old code. The benefits: easy to add new behavior, code is clean and testable, can change behavior at runtime. Drawbacks: more classes to manage, overkill for small logic. If this helped you, comment below which design pattern should I explain next, and make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.